get you this market alert. We're seeing an acceleration of losses on the Nasdaq in the final 2.5 minutes of trade, down 96 points, led by the European Union's $2.7 billion fine on Google for anti-competitive behavior. But this is the biggest drop since June 9th for the Nasdaq. Let me bring in two very smart guys who will help you understand what this and healthcare and the Syria tensions all mean for your money. GoodHaven managing partner and co-portfolio manager Larry Pitkowsky and MBS Highway founder and CEO Barry Habib. To you first, Larry. Are you concerned with what you're seeing here when it comes to specifically the Nasdaq accelerating the losses?
Not concerned, actually starting to get a little bit more interested. We have cash. We've done a little more selling than buying as of late. At the GoodHaven Fund, we think we have a portfolio that doesn't look much like the index, so we would welcome some volatility, which would give us the opportunity to maybe find some more bargains for us and our fellow shareholders.
Well, Barry, let's not throw the baby out with the bathwater is what I'm hearing Larry say. This is actually possibly a buying opportunity, plus on the back of a consumer confidence number that rose more than expected today, looking at June, and we've got decent housing numbers, depending on how you look at it. The Case-Shiller Price Index moving higher, jumping pretty significantly. You as a mortgage expert and real estate guy, what do you think?
Well, I think that overall the stock market is overdue for a little bit of a pullback here, take a little bit of a breather. You know, the activity that you're seeing today could be healthy, but then again, it could be a little bit of a canary in the coal mine. You know, we are expecting to get some kind of a deal done on tax reform, and if you get those tax cuts, well, then you can justify this. But if you don't get that, a lot of what you've just seen is multiple expansion, so there's going to be a pullback. Now watch the 10-year Treasury. If you see the 10-year Treasury stay underneath its 200-day moving average, which is currently at around 223. Okay. Watch that. That'll be a very good sign for bonds, for housing, but not such a great sign that there's confidence going forward that they're going to get this deal done.
We're bumping up against the closing bell, but Larry, what are you buying right now? What would you look at?
Energy has been a very out-of-favor sector year to date, Liz. You've got terrible underperformance versus the averages. We found some bargains there. WPX Energy, Birchcliff, a company up in Canada, and we think you've got to be looking at sectors that have been the most out of favor, which are where the biggest potential bargains are, and that's what we usually do.
We're sorry for the abbreviated session, gentlemen. We'll have you back, Larry Pitkowsky of GoodHaven and Barry Habib. Thank you so much.